The Altai Mountains in Mongolia are a remote and breathtaking destination that offers a unique blend of pristine wilderness, ancient nomadic culture, and outdoor adventure. This vast mountain range, straddling the borders of Mongolia, Russia, Kazakhstan, and China, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a haven for travelers seeking to explore one of the most remote and untouched regions of Asia. The Altai Mountains are characterized by their rugged terrain, towering peaks, crystal-clear lakes, and lush valleys. The landscapes are a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with a range of activities such as trekking, hiking, horseback riding, and mountaineering. The Altai Bogged National Park is a popular starting point for these adventures and offers a glimpse into Mongolia's pristine wilderness. One of the highlights of the Altai Mountains is the Potanin Glacier, which is the longest glacier in Mongolia and a striking natural wonder. Treks to the glacier are rewarded with awe-inspiring views of ice fields, crevasses, and surrounding peaks. The Altai Mountains are also home to diverse wildlife, including ibex, Argali sheep, snow leopards, and various bird species. Wildlife enthusiasts can embark on wildlife safaris and birdwatching tours to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. The region is steeped in the nomadic traditions of the Kazakh and Tuva people who have called the Altai Mountains home for centuries. Visitors have the opportunity to engage with these nomadic communities, learn about their way of life, and experience traditional hospitality through homestays and cultural encounters. For those interested in archaeology and history, the region is dotted with ancient petroglyphs, burial mounds, and stone carvings that offer glimpses into the region's rich cultural and historical heritage. The Altai Mountains also provide excellent opportunities for water-based activities, with pristine lakes like Khotan and Kurgan providing ideal settings for kayaking, fishing, and camping. The calm waters and dramatic surroundings create a serene and picturesque atmosphere. Stargazing in the Altai Mountains is a breathtaking experience, thanks to the region's minimal light pollution. The clear night skies offer unparalleled views of stars, planets, and celestial phenomena, making it a paradise for astronomers and astrophotographers. The Altai Mountains in Mongolia offer a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to connect with nature, immerse in ancient nomadic traditions, and embark on thrilling outdoor adventures in a pristine and remote wilderness. Whether it's exploring rugged landscapes, encountering nomadic culture, marveling at wildlife, or simply stargazing in the clear night skies, the Altai Mountains invite travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Mongolia's unspoiled beauty and cultural heritage.